I don't always like videos, but when I do, I always prefer Road Dog Crypto. Trade wisely, my friends.
Appreciate it. So, I've been doing this thing called crypto trading. It's like buying and selling digital money like a garage sale, but without the rusty bicycles. You're a tough crowd tonight. But I really like crypto. They got some crazy terms. I love the terms they use, but this one, HODL, H-O-D-L, that one just sounds crazy. It sounds like somebody misspelled the word whole. And they always say, just HODL, man. It's like they're giving financial advice with a speech impediment. And those charts, oh man, the charts. Man, I look at those charts and I feel like I'm reading a seismograph in an earthquake. Oh, look, it's going up. Nope, it's coming up. It's going down. Maybe it's just doing the cha-cha. But you ever notice how crypto traders, they're always talking about it going to the moon? It's like the universe's most ambitious field trip. Next stop, Mars. Just kidding. I can't afford a spaceship ticket right now. But I bought some Dogecoin once because, why not invest in a coin that started as a meme? I'm waiting every day for the day that we have Rickroll coin. Every time you check your balance on your phone, you get Rickroll. And all them crypto people, they be like, buy the dip. And I'm like, what dip? Is this a financial fondue party? Do I need to bring my own cheese? But in reality, crypto trading is a lot like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube with your eyes closed. You make a move, you hope it works out, and when it doesn't, you blame the algorithm. Stupid algorithm, always messing with my portfolio. Good night, everybody. Enjoy the show.
Transaction, it's burning in my soul. A secret code that only I can hold. I'm chasing the high of a digital thrill, A crypto fantasy that's making me fulfill. I like sex and crypto. It's a digital desire. I'm craving the rush of a blockchain fire. I like sex and crypto. It's a wild and sweet sin. I'm trying to get rich, but the pleasure within. I've got a wallet that's full of secrets and crypto. A treasure trove of coins that are yet to be told. I'm trying to head but the flood is getting strong. I'm stuck in a loop of desire and longing all night long. I like sex and crypto. It's a digital desire. I'm craving the rush of a blockchain fire. I like sex and crypto. It's a wild and sweet sin. I'm trying to get rich, but the pleasure within. I'll ride the roller coaster through the highs and lows. I'll buy and sell, but the market's got me in tow. I'll try to stay calm, but the fear is getting real. I'll ride the crypto wave, but it's hard to conceal. I like sex and crypto. It's a digital desire. I'm craving the rush of a blockchain fire. I like sex and crypto. It's a wild and sweet sin. I'm trying to get rich, but the pleasure within.
Trade, got my crypto wallet, it's not a fade. Hey, ho, let's go! I'm buying and selling, got my eyes on the screen. Got my crypto gains, it's a beautiful dream. Hey, ho, let's go! Hey! Hey, ho, let's go! Blitzkrieg, let's go! Blitzkrieg crypto, it's a digital store. Got my coins and tokens, it's a crypto form. Hey ho, let's go! Hey ho, it's time to trade. Got my crypto gains, it's a beautiful parade. Got my Bitcoin, got my Ethereum too. Got my altcoins, they're all brand new. I'm trading and flipping, got my crypto skills. Got my profits rolling, it's a digital thrill. Hey ho, let's go! Hey ho, let's go! Hey ho, let's go! Hey ho, let's go! Blitzkrieg crypto, it's a digital store. Got my coins and tokens, it's a crypto form. Hey ho, let's go! Hey ho, it's time to trade. Got my crypto gains, it's a
Check 1 2. Checka 1 2.
Got my Bitcoin, got my Ethereum too. Got my altcoins, they're all brand new. I'm trading and flipping, got my crypto skills. Got my profits rolling, it's a digital thrill. Hey ho, let's go. Hey ho, let's go. Hey ho, let's go. Hey ho, let's go. Blitzkrieg
Who's he calling a hoe? He's not talking about your woman, is he, Habib?
That's the Joker, my friend.
it's a beautiful parade.
Forgot he likes sheep. Bah.
Please allow me to introduce myself. I'm a trader. I've been around. I've seen the highs and the lows, the bulls and the bears. I've made my fortune and I've shed my tears. Pleased to meet you. Hope you guess my name. I'm a whale in the crypto game. I'm a whale with a portfolio so fine. I'm a whale always on the grind. I've traded Bitcoin, Ethereum too. I've shorted the market and I've made it through. I've seen the FUD and I've seen the hype. I've made my profit and I've taken the ride. Pleased to meet you. Hope you guess my name. I'm a whale in the crypto.
Check 1 2 1 2.
I'm a whale with a portfolio so fine. I'm a whale always on the grind.
Ladies and gentlemen,
I'm not a bot,
live from the hills of East Virginia,
I'm a trader with a plan.
North Virginia,
I'm not a whale
East Carolina,
who's trying to make a buck and get by.
For those of you out there that have been hitting that like button, I just want to say thank you. Thank you very much.
Welcome everyone to Late Night Crypto with Road Dog. So glad and grateful to have each and every one of you here tonight as I kind of throw things around on my desk, because that's just the ritual that we go through. It's just the bad luck because we forgot to bring out the old cowbell. Never start a stream without a cowbell. Ladies and gentlemen, if you look behind me, this is the week for the top 100, which has been in the red and now is showing green. That is an improvement, my friend. Let's take a look at the other sectors here. In the top 200, it's done very well this week. Look at that. Popcat's up 50%. I think most of that's happened today. Toshi is up. Nice. Go back to the weekly here and see what the strong ones are. AI16Z AXL. What's this one? The gray currency. I've seen that before. I know nothing about that, but it sounds really cool, and it makes me want to go check it out. Wow. Looks like I'm a little late. Here we are on Bitcoin. I'm on a very small time frame starting out. That's just where we are. And nice little run up today after they dropped us and Scared the whole market again right here. Just had to do it one more time. Didn't they? From 96,005 all the way down to 94.2. I go, oh my God, the sky's falling! The sky's falling! And it did feel that way. I mean, you can't deny how it feels when it does that. It makes a lower low, and you're like, oh my God, Bitcoin, no! For God's sake, no! But it's not really Bitcoin. It's them dirty market makers out there that like to play games whenever there's announcements. Like today, I think it was CPI or inflation. It just gets old having to see the same thing. Makes no sense to sell out of Bitcoin because you're afraid of inflation. That's stupid. It's just the opposite. But here we are. We recovered. We often do. Broke this trend line, and now we're working on an ABC little correction here. And I do think that she will come down to probably about 96 somewhere. Maybe it's down, maybe down as far as 96.3. We could break out our fibs, but at this point, I'd just rather see what she's going to do. She's more than likely coming down for a little bit. Retest this area over here. But how are we doing tonight, everybody? Let me bring out the chat and say hello to everybody. We got Floki's Angels first tonight. Hey, my man, congratulations. We got Chris Klein. We got Ave Medina, Strega, Dowdy Crypto, Glasshopper, The Etlon Show, Road Glide, Bullish on Crypto. I think I got everybody there. Hulin, how's it going? Celinda, how's it going? Good to see you guys. Binance sold most of their crypto to buy BNB. BNB is up. And we got EW, guys. Thanks for hanging out. I see 19 people here. Let's see if we can take a look at the market real quick. Just look at the indicators over here, and this is total 3. Trying to take a move up. She'll face some resistance up here. I mean, but we got several tens of billions of dollars that need to come in before we reach that. So it's nice to kind of see our altcoins take a move to the upside. Bitcoin dominance is also, it's my right, yeah, which side, this side, that side, this side. She's taking a nice little dump, so we are getting some rejection there from this trend line that we've got. So it's a wild one. It's hard to follow Bitcoin dominance. So I don't know that it gives us hope that maybe we could get a bigger rejection here. Might actually see some good out of altcoins, and that would mean that total 3 would have to recover a trend line here. We'll just watch those kind of things. But as total 3 starts coming up to this area for resistance, and Bitcoin dominance starts coming down, and our altcoins start looking better, maybe we got some good trades and things going on. As it gets to resistance, we might have to take a look at our altcoins and our positions. As I mentioned, I dial back a little bit right now, because if it gets rejected there and then starts coming back down, you can ride the same ride, the elevator ride, right back down to the lobby where you or the basement where we were before. Maybe find out there's a lower floor down there. I don't know. But if you take a little profit up there, and then if she does, then it's not as bad. And if it keeps going, well, you know, when have you not owned altcoins to drop? Okay, you will probably get in at just the same price. You'll probably be all right when she goes up and comes down. Just some ideas, not financial advice, just some crypto opinion. Let's get back to Bitcoin here. I want to take a look at the daily. Now, Market Cipher over here confirmed a green dot a couple days ago. 2 days ago, as a matter of fact, and Stochastic started respecting that and liking it up, liking the upside. We got bullish divergence here on the momentum waves, and those are some good signs. Those are some good signs on the daily that there might be a nice strong move out of Bitcoin. And it appears that one might be along the horizon. Now we got the MACD. Oh, MACD, she's a little bit late to the game, but her histogram's already started pointing to the upside. Hasn't flipped over the 0 point to go blue and go positive on us, but hey, we're getting there, right? One step at a time. It can happen kind of quick too. Looking for that bullish cross up here, the blue line over that red one, just to make it a confirmation. But by the time it happens, we'll already see price go up and enjoy those moves. Perhaps it's a good thing to look at the RSI indicator too to see what it's trying to do. Well, this RSI is not screaming overbought or oversold. She's a screaming, I'm just breaking over my signal line, meaning, hey man, things are starting to look a little bit better. We're not out of the woods yet though. She got some resistance areas to come up here, so we can come up a little and then roll over, or maybe it gets bullish and maybe we do start moving up and get a nice big pump out of Bitcoin and hopefully some of these altcoins too. I know that one should put a smile on your face and put a smile on my face and put a smile on everybody's face right around Valentine's Day. And those no quick asking you, what's wrong? Why are you so cranky? Here on the daily, I'd like to draw your attentions, ladies and gentlemen, over to the sporting goods section of the program. No, I'm sorry. Menswear. This green line over here, that 9 moving average. The price seems to be trying to reclaim, and we like it when we're reclaiming that 9 moving average. Now it's not solid yet, but can be on its way there. But we bounced off the 100 moving average. But what I like about that 9 moving average is that it's starting to do a U-turn, and that's a good strong sign on the daily. I like that. I like that. I like what I'm seeing here. We're playing around in this range that we've been in. We came in, made a higher low, and we got a good chance to start to recover to come back to the top of the range, about 108,000, maybe a little more. Hopefully more. We really need to make a higher high. For real, we need to get above 109, or else we're just going to be in a range with the possibility of dropping further. That's just the state. That's just how it goes. So it's very important that we get that higher high, or else we might want to look at playing the downside a little bit. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me this night. Wardog Thunderbolt, I see you there. How's it going, everybody? I'm going to go over and do the news, Layer GG, but before I do, my buttons are still not working. Are they? Why do I even have you there if you're not going to work? All right. All right, so I'm going to put a little marker out there that I can see, and any coin request can go below there. When we come back from the news, and we'll start looking at some altcoins here. Let's go check out the newsroom. As a turkey? It's always better as a turkey. Oh, snap! Oh, I'm crispy. Look how crispy I am. I'm a crispy turkey. I'm a handsome crispy turkey, though. Just saying. Not full of myself. I mean, I am defeathered and whatnot. Ah, is that the one? Yeah. I think that's it. You guys can't see what I'm talking about. I look crazy to you guys. It didn't do anything. I forget I had to hit that button. Hey, everybody. All right, so is this button working? It is. So what's happened in the last 12 hours in crypto? Well, Trump agreed to begin negotiations to end the war in Ukraine with a phone call with Putin. In a phone call with Putin, the Russian coin waves rose significantly on the news, and the market as a whole began to rebound. Possible end of war scenarios may be presented at the Munich Security Conference on February 14th through the 16th. Trump said that of the reciprocal tariff announcement that he will sign it today or tomorrow. The rally for BNB chain that started with CZ starting to exert its influence on BNB chain is getting bigger. Solana players are saying they're moving to BNB chain. CZ is starting to show interest in meme coins, and BNB DEX projects are getting more attention. Cake, Bake, BSW, Alpaca, Dodo, BNX, those tickers. The U.S. Department of Labor reported that the CPI for January increased by 3% year over year, surpassing market expectations of 2.9%. The bad CPI data caused the crypto markets to drop significantly, but bounced back. CBOE files 19B-4 nerd speak seeking SEC approval of staking in 21 shares core Ethereum ETF. Okay. Franklin Templeton, a financial services company with $1.6 trillion in assets under management, has launched its U.S. government money fund, BobXX, on Solana. It was probably because FOBXXX was already taken, is my guess. The National Bank of Canada has made a significant investment by purchasing Bitcoin ETFs valued at $2 million. Hey, wasn't that the guy from the Bank of Canada that said that Bitcoin is a scam and cryptos is a scam? And now they're buying Bitcoin ETFs? CZ interacted with users on Twitter and hinted at the possibility of launching his own dog meme coin. Because we need another meme coin out here. Ain't got enough. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get back to the charts. To the charts. Why does that look weird? That looks so weird. To the charts.
For those of you out there that have been hitting that like button, I just want to say thank you very much.
Oh, we didn't change the screen. How can you look at the charts when you don't change the screen? How can you change the screen if you don't look at the charts? Ladies and gentlemen, let's go back to the chat and let's make a list of these coins. We've got Jim Derringer asking for Kava. We got Doge. We got DOZ. Are these all your original songs? These are my songs that I did through AI with AI help. Some of them have turned out to be some bangers, and then you get some that are just like, dude, that's totally not what I'm going for at all. And then sometimes it just freaking surprises you, and you're like, wow, well, that was better than what I was shooting for. So we got Solana, H-bar. The turkey head is pretty iconic. Haven't been on here long, but it grows on you. It does. It's a handsome turkey. It's in the eyes. All right, and we got Tia and B&B. Probably need to take a look at B&B. Peak. Strega says dog. There is a dog coin. I think you're trolling me, but there is a dog coin. Doug says, damn, my portfolio looking juicy. Toshi's running. Toshi's doing good. I see that too, yeah. Looking like a bull run is starting. It need to. It late. It's behind schedule. It need to. Grimmer says, banana coin. I'm on banana. I gotta. Let's say Bitcoin is at 97.5, and I think I've got a. Let me see, where are we at? So we got this account here over here for the channel, right? And oh, I get stopped out of Bitcoin. My Bitcoin one's not there anymore. Finally got it above that 552 area. I was struggling with that. Maybe knock on wood if we can keep it right now. It's at 588, but I put it in. I got some meme coin trades going here. I got Popcat, got in about 20, just right under 27 cents. It's just a small position. Remember, this account only had $500 in it. It's got 588 now. It's a $16 position. It's up 98%. So hey, about ready to moonbag that little, well, kind of sucker. Ready to be taking some profit over there, probably. Then we got the Ordi trade over here, got in 1196, and it's up 9%. A Pippin trade, and open price is just right under 3 cents, 0.0297. It's up 15%, and then 1000 Cat. I think it's Simon the Cat. Open price 0.012, and that one is what, a $18 trade. That one's up $16, 94%. So, and apparently I got stopped out of a Bitcoin trade, so need to look for an opportunity there. And so far, as $1,000 account, we're up 1135, and we doubled that little sucker, and we'll start looking at doing some giveaways here on the channel. I'm looking forward to it. Just gotta cross our fingers, knock on wood, that we can continue it growing instead of shrinking. Dog discount code. Oh, right, yeah. All right, let's jump on into this. Take a look at Kava.
Fibonacci retracement, he's skipping a beat. Golden ratios ain't gold when you're deep in defeat.
All right, let's get this guy over somewhere else. So this white line is going to be some resistance there, but overall, it looks like we've got a new trend going. Who can get sleepy already? Wow. See, let me zoom out on this guy. So we're in a downward channel, which they tend to break to the upside. That would be good. Coming here on the daily, it does look like that 68 cents area is going to be some resistance. I don't know if we'll get up higher than that on their first go. She may come up and then have to consolidate a little bit more before trying to break out. That might be what we're looking at shorter term there. You also got that idea going on too. I think we need these guys. That's, oh, and the 618 Fibonacci is still right up there too. So 70, maybe up to 77 for the trend line there if we can touch it. But the bigger picture is us just waiting to get back up here to $1.55 just to get out of this zone. It's still an accumulation zone, and this one will accumulate for a while. You have to have patience to play this one, but she's definitely has some good cheap prices right now. 49 cents. This can get up to $4, so 10x from here. I can get sleepy. And I can do. I think it even went higher than $4 last time too. Let's take a look at Doge. Dogecoin. I know it sounds kind of crazy. It always does sound crazy when it's first said, but when you look out and see what we're doing here, that's kind of cool. Now, we don't have to come all the way back down here. We could at 13 cents. That would suck. That's why nobody watches your road dog. You say. Let's go up here and see what we got. Oh, nice bounce off the 618. Let's hold it. 200 moving averages there. We're on the daily, and that's a good strong sign. Since we are in a bull market, like we're supposed to be, I would actually expect that to hold. It's okay to expect it to hold. There's always a chance coming down to 16.8. It's on the table, but we're showing good signs that we could be holding here. So we'll mark it, but I'm not expecting it to go there.
Dark screen.
I was sitting in my basement dreaming of a Lambo ride. Road dog crypto came around and took me on a wild tide. With his charts and trend lines, magic like a wizard in the night. I became a millionaire thinking it's a crazy ride.
So we got some bigger targets to look for. Most notably this one up here at 64 cents. There's no guarantee that she will get there, but there is more of a probability than not. Won't be a straight in shot. It may take her a while to get there, but that's the reversal pivot points that we're looking for. Where this, like this would be a pivot point. This is what they look like. This is what they do. It's like, oh crap, I can't go any higher. Let's come down. That's what we look. That's what I look for. That's what I try to do. That's part of my system. Some people just take a little measure move or this and that and get a target, and that's cool and fine and dandy and everything with that. I'm just like, I like to try to get these moves. I like to get the full extent of the move and try to get. You're not supposed to try to focus always on the bottoms and the tops. You shouldn't. But if you got a little system that has a way of kind of getting them every once in a while, you know, or more than once in a while, more often than not, then hey, it's a cool game to play. But you just have to keep your eyes open for the signs that it's not going to go up there, and that would be it not getting above certain fib levels and things like that. For instance, if we don't make it above the 0.5 Fibonacci area here, we're probably going to roll over or something. Is you know, we needs to get above. Well, we got to get above here technically to get there, don't we? If we're looking for a higher high, then that's what I'm looking for. And if we do bounce off the 618, those targets are up there. Short-term targets you might want to look for would be 42 cents. I think that would be a nice one. A little play there, and of course you always got your 618 Fibonacci because hey, it's that golden ratio. And from here to there, oh man, that's not bad at all actually. And I'm on Doge, right? That's at 38 cents. That's 44% gains. It just didn't seem like it's going to be that much. 61% up to that target. And if we make it to my Moonboy target over here, it's 143%, meaning $100 a Doge right now is worth like $250 when we get up to 64 cents. That's my elementary education at work, folks, right there. 4th grade, I remember. What? Anything else cool that we can see going on? On the 4 hour, we got a nice little bottom tap pattern forming here that looks like a possible formation of an Adam and Eve double bottom, where you get a pointy little dangle followed by a nice rounding, and that's some pretty nice rounding right there. I gotta say, that's really what you're looking for, is something kind of roundy like that, and a lot of little bitty roundies in there. That's a good sign. The little scallop shapes inside there. Yeah. That's a good sign. Yeah. I like that one. So, you know, Doge is supposed to spell out the lead for Bitcoin breaking out in the full bull cycle. That it's got a history of it breaking out first and being a little front runner and indicator. I think that's something to look for and to notice on it. Right now, I think she's just trying to bottom off of here, and she'll come up, and it's going to be hard to get past 33 cents for a while. Moving averages are starting to cross there, so we'll have some shakiness. It's not going to be just oh my god, they're all breaking out, we're going to the upside. They're going to have to struggle their way to get to these targets. For getting past these targets, though, it might get a little bit easier for them, though. I'm craving tacos for some reason. So over on Solana, I still got a measure move over here, 249. I'm still looking for that 220, 200. I got 218 on this chart. But 220 is still the place I've been looking for a while, several weeks. Or about a week. Is that right? Let's come to the daily to look at this. The daily chart, we're trying to recover that non-moving average. That's good. That's good. If it does that, that means we can come talk to the 21, which is no longer at the 220. It's at 217 in that area. It's talking to the 100 moving average. Let's hope that we can see it move back up there. What are you looking like on the 1 hour? Nice move there. And if I'm trading in an active trade, I like to follow these guys and trend lines. And when they break it, that's when you need to make sure that I get paid a little bit of something, so that if I need to put my stop loss up or anything like that, put it to break even. If I come back to my stop loss, then I haven't lost my trade. If I put up a little bit above my stop loss, I probably might come out with a little something extra. But that's the purpose for taking the little bit of profit there, if not getting out of the trade altogether. Some people would do that. So Solana, get your act together, baby. Come on, try to get back to 200 and do something before you break down. There is a good chance that she's trying to make a bottoming pattern, and it may look like an inverted head and shoulders type pattern. You might get that kind of thing that can happen and break down from here. So we'll just work on making a bottom pattern, because usually when they start out with this angle, they can't hold it. She never could hold it over here. She couldn't hold it over here. She's lucky enough to hold it this long. Let's take a look at Banana coin. Oh, nice. 27. I've got a trade on that. Must be on my. Where did you go? I thought I had it over here on this one with banana. Can't see what you're doing. I'm not in those. What are you doing? Positions. Here we go. Huh. Air my banana. I think you had banana, right? Oh well. I may got stopped out in profit. Banana, you are at $27, and I can see you going up to 33 before getting a little bit more of a pullback. Probably coming back to where you are now, or a little bit lower, 25 maybe. Oh, that's gone. Technically, I would go there.
He woke up early to the crypto sunrise. Charts on the wall, yeah, calculator by the skies. Elliot waves everywhere trying to see the light. But this market's got him drowning. Oh, what a fight. He said, Elliot's supposed to guide me to the treasure. But all I got is FOMO and a whole lot of pressure. Lines up and down like a roller coaster ride. I'm just sitting here crying in my coffee high tide.
Okay, so we're going to chill and listen to the tunes a little bit.
Skipping a beat. Golden ratios ain't gold when you're deep in defeat. And candle patterns talking nonsense, whispering lies.
All right, so this red line is a Fibonacci area that technically we're anywhere below there. If this is the bottom, if we bottom, we're in a bottoming area. We didn't nail it. Didn't nail the fibs perfect, but we're in those areas. Regain the non-moving average, so that's good. It's trying to make a recovery, but it will more likely find some rejection here around $32, and then find some more rejection around 40. But that's just part of the game. She's got some rejection right here. She's got to get past.
He's got more indicators than fingers on his palm. RSI is screaming overbought, oversold.
And a little bit more to go up there.
The truth be told, he's just feeling kind of.
It'd be good. It might be a strong sign if it can get past this and hold it. It could be a strong move up to the 40, maybe even up to $45 if it can do that. Otherwise, either we're in a double bottom down here or go, more sideways and stuff for banana right now. But working toward 32, she'll just have a struggle through these areas through here. Not a bad thing. All the coins are going to have a struggle. She was trying to do something like this and went the wrong way. Some more areas will be resistance through here, so yeah, she's gonna have trouble getting above 40. So we might be seeing her come up and do something, like that before she works her way out of this. Well, she did a W over here, so maybe something like that. I'm in on this one too. I think it's on COINEX then, or either I got stopped out or something. But it did good for me. I got in somewhere around. I think it was around 22, 23, 24, I think, 24. I can't remember. I just saw a trade, and I went with it. It might hit my target. All right, let's look at Tia, Celestia. Man, ain't you cheap. Ooh. I'll have to zoom out on the weekly just to... Man, oh man, you'd think this would be the bottom over here, making a double bottom and going up. It made a measure move and then came down and went lower. That sucks. Nice.
Electric lights, neon bright, wallets stacked in sleepless nights, dreams of futures so electric, crypto world got us eclectic, money moves fast and wild, surfing waves like a digital child, West Coast vibes in every trade, no regrets with the past we've made, number go up, 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 chasing dreams won't stop, stop.
We don't really have confirmation that this line is going to, that this is solid just yet. We need to wait for a bottom to be confirmed. It looks like it possibly is because it did nail this fib here. It did okay. It may be bottom, and it's holding on this one over here. So those are pivot points where it can bounce from. If so, then we should be heading back to 679, 675 through there. That would be at the 618 Fibonacci area as well. So that makes it a great little target. So it's about 669, 670, and we're what, 319? That's pretty good. So you're getting past the first step's 28%. The second step here at $5 be 55% gains, and then up to through a target's 108% gains. Letting somebody moonbag Tia, if you're willing to take the risk on that, that's not a bad setup. It may not be the quickest setup, but it's not a bad one. Let's take a look at BNB. Bunnies. Ooh, look, they flushed us out today, didn't they? It went, oh, did you go down to 500 and now you're at 717? That was, I had this area at the 618 and it was near the 200 moving average. And it did not hit it. It's cause you suck, road dog. It's 429. It did not happen. Was there something we could have done differently? They couldn't have caught it there either. Swing low to swing high. Tell me where I need to buy. Where'd you go down to? The 0.5. You nailed it. 0.5. It just didn't zoom out big enough. Well, that's interesting. I like that. For the big one, but
Lights are flashing, data streams. Ooh, yeah. Crypto
not sold on this angle.
in our schemes. Numbers rolling, feeling bold. On the rise, watch it unfold.
We'll go with it for now, though.
Rise to value, take the flight, hold the line, day and night. Move with power, make it right. Rise to value, feel the light. Charts are buzzing, realign. Future bright.
So the target is 905. If we bounced off, bouncing off of here, I'm looking for that. See if it hits. Also got another target here at 831. If we are fortunate enough to get that, if we're in a channel idea, bounce from one side to the other like they normally do, then that should be where we're headed. There is also shorter term target right here at 733, 672, but these are the ones that are worth waiting for. And she might find some rejection there before, you know, come up, bounce down, and then come up to those bigger areas. But it's looking nice, looking nice.
Take a stand. Play it smart.
So we're breaking back into this part of the channel. We can hold it, it's bullish. Very nice, very bullish. Take a peek.
It's a start. Eyes ahead.
Oh, what? You're at 24 cents? Wow. We had 24.71, but no, she's at 21 cents. We were looking for the 786 and 886 retracement here. It looks like you want to come down and do a complete double bottom. Still got that trend line going on. Let's zoom out. To the point, to the 2. And so were you a 0.5? Yetham, you were a 0.5. This is doing them freaky harmonic kind of patterns, I think.
Bought some tokens that went up into the sky. Thought those gains would never ever say goodbye. Dollar cost dream and thought it was the plan. Now my balance sinking like it's stuck in quicksand. They said grab the dip, now I'm flat out of dough. Crypto spinning wild.
I don't know what the little bastard's called, but I I know that this should be a bottom area for it. Where we're at. And that she can come up and she can come back down for another double bottom kind of idea. I forgot the fancy word they call it. Type B retest or something like that. Basically, I think 32 cents would be a nice target. That, well, she needs to get past that before we can start coming back up to 52 or even 60 cents there. But I'd look for her to try to do that, and she may come back down to around the 20 cent area after she comes up a little bit. That looks interesting. I'm going to leave that there. That looks very interesting. Hey, we got Mr. Miles in the house. How's it going, Mr. Miles? It's been a strange cycle. It has. It has. Joseph has also been digging the songs. I think I'd like to get feedback on it. Let's take a look at Toshi. Toshi's at what? 0.00076. Well, she got down a little bit low. That'd be cool if she can maintain above that line. She's trying to recover back in. That could be a nice little strong move up. Let me tighten it up over here. She's not quite there yet. Not quite there yet, but she's trying. Moving averages are cool with it. I may have to adjust those. Just a little bit. Gotta put them back over here. So it looks like Toshi heading up 0.00113 area, or that's going to be a nice little take profit area. That'd be about 48% from where we are right now. So the red line is coming in at 0.0089, right at 9. Needs to get above that. When we do that, I think we got a chance to recover. And then the 0.0015. I like that one. That could be, that's 100% gains up there. I like it. I like what I'm seeing here. Let me look for some divergence. I don't really see any. Check out the MACD, ready to party right now on the 4 hour. That's a good sign. I noticed a lot of meme coins are starting to come, or some of the more popular meme coins are starting to move, and Toshi being one of them. Kakinu is also moving. I don't know if we got HBAR or not. She says I got a beak that's so chic, and I keep looking around because I lost my pecker. I don't know where my pecker. I got lips. This turkey don't have a pecker. He's got lips. What does that mean? I'm in an existential crisis right now. Oh my god. Am I an other? Can I play with my lips on TV? Do I need to get an artificial pecker? I mean, if you're a bird, you need to have a beak, a pecker to peck with. Oh, this turkey's got lips. Let's change the subject. All right, so possible bottoming pattern going on right here. That would be. Hey, we still got that chick on the thing. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't mean to leave that up. So trying to look for a possible Adam and Eve shape there that could take us up, back up to this area about 33, 35, 4 cents. That would be awesome. Also, if you want to look at it and zoom out as the local pattern, you got one of these little fun guys. And go where we have most of the touches there, and it cuts through that. Or my new rose to include it. This has a 70% chance to break to the upside, 72% chance that it can. It forms a partial decline, which is what we're doing. Also, a possible Adam Eve is killing two birds with one stone. And also bouncing off the 666 moving average because, you know, it's making a deal with the devil there. That's pretty much what I'll say there. There's a possible triple top up there. You gonna try to invalidate it? Need to invalidate it. Don't need to have no triple tops. Not at this point in the game. You don't need a triple top, baby. Gotta keep our eye on that. Because this is going to be some resistance over here at what, 29 to 30 cents? Gotta see what happens there. We might be rolling over for something not nice. We got a possible bottom trend line. Oh, okay. Yeah, we got the wick there too. Okay, I see it. See it. I see it. I was trying to narrow in my angles down here. We would take it right to that wick. Perfect. Nice. We might be coming back to touch this trend line at some point. Toshi only goes up when you sell, Strega. A new dog jeans promo? Yeah, I know. Wow. They're very nicely cut. They fit very well. Chief and Keith says, cheers y'all from the Polynesian Resort at Disney World. Hey, I remember there. They had the fire dancing and all that, the luau and stuff. That was cool. With the pig with the apple. That was fun. War Dog Thunderbolt. I like this flapper music. Yeah, it is kind of cool. Let's see, we did Solana earlier. Haven't looked at virtuals. So I was looking at these two areas. We came down to this one. Even, oh, the measure move nailed it. Oh, pretty much. It did the retest. 0.08. That measured move was... What the hell did you do to get that measure move? Oh. Right. Yeah, we did an AB equals CD move. Yeah, there's a, yeah, that should have. That was like doing the Fibonacci thing. So cool. She came down and did all that. Awesome. This should be a reversal pivot point. This one should start heading up. We just need to figure out where. Oh, wait. Well, before we do that, I'm sorry. I almost forgot. I ain't got to do this in a while. What's that?
Nothing is as it seems when moon streams of gold screens flash by, staring blank into the sky. Echoes of fortunes will pursue, but shadows keep blocking my view. When moon crypto, when moon, I'm so tired of waiting.
Let's take this over to the vanity wall.
One is capitulating.
This is virtuals.
Keep hanging on to my dream, but nothing is as it seems when moon. Pacing halls of shattered belief, wondering.
So it was with the AB equals CD measure move that nailed that one, and we just kind of document that kind of thing.
Like falling stars.
Just to document the techniques that work and when they do work, and that's an example of when it worked.
When moon, I'm so
Alright, so now what are you going to do? Now we can clear all this off.
everyone is
That's old news now.
I keep
We got what we need.
my dream, but nothing
We got what we need.
is when moon.
YouTube scams with fake
These targets look just as crazy as this one down here did when we were over here.
selling secrets for 100 bills a month, promising gold but giving nothing much, pumping vids every time the market's green, acting wise like they've seen the unseen, bearish whispers on the blood red day, then switch it up pretending they're okay. Crypto charlatans leading lambs astray, talking big but
I put it. I just always do.
we go feast while viewers pay the price, selling lies as the ultimate device. They flaunt their cars and their poolside chats.
Okay, so we're at 137 right now, and I see a possibility we can get to about 580, 660.
The rerun show, milk and dreams.
If that happens, that's like 375% gains, 315% gains for virtual.
Empty promises,
That would be it making a higher high than it made over here.
the edge of someone else's hope.
That would be definitely
That dangling
where you would want to be taking profit because it would come back down. Probably back down to around this area or lower. It's got to clear a few areas before we get there. It's got to go to $2, and we're at 137 now, so that's pretty cool anyway, just to go to that target. From there, we need to go touch this guy over here at 266, so I kind of like this for an idea. We're going to share this with the group. That's a good midterm, or midterm hold or a little swing trade idea.
They flaunt their cars and their poolside chats, living large off the clueless cats. Every course just another rerun show, milk and dreams so their bank accounts grow. Crypto charlatans leading lambs astray, talking big but never show the way. Ego feast while viewers pay the price.
All right. Godzilla pattern. I can see that, yeah. Possible Adam and Eve down here. There's some other things you can look at down here too. Nice rounding out. So it just needs to confirm above this at what, 163, 164. Then start working our way to that 204 area. Should start seeing the ribbons trying to flip around here.
Fade to twilight, mystic whispers spin in the nightlight.
How long have we been going? An hour, 9 minutes? That's pretty good. We got through a bunch of coins doing that.
Dance over strings of light.
Take a look at Pendle.
Memories haunt sharper than a knife.
Let me zoom out.
Digital dreams float in the abyss. Holographic ghost binary kiss. Paper hearts crumbled in the rain. Chasing a lost code through the pain. I sold too soon, longing for Bitcoin. In the nightshade, heartbreaking, void grown.
She made a higher low. That's good.
Gold dreams crushed by the sparkle of dawn. Regret tattooed on a soul long gone. Cosmic dust in my one.
So if she breaks out here,
Lyrical tapestries left behind.
you might see it come back down a little lower and then do something. Or maybe even come back to the trend line. You could see something like that. Or it could do it underneath and then break out. I don't know what it's going to do. Right now, it looks like it's trying to do this. I don't see it getting much above 420. Short term. Longer term, it's getting ready to make a bigger move, but she's got to fight through a little bit of something there.
Cryptic lights trace my somber tune. Whispers of fortunes under the moon. I sold too soon, longing for Bitcoin. In the nightshade, heartbreaking, void grown.
Hello?
Gold dreams crushed by the sparkle of dawn. Regret tattooed on a soul long gone.
I like these targets over here. Oh, that you were the yellow one. I have to color code them so I remember what they are. Fibonacci. 523 looks really good as a possible target there. We're at 355 right now. And we could get lower. We could even go higher. But that's 50% return from where we are. If we come a little lower, say at 310, 68%.
The piano sighs.
And XRP, we haven't taken a look at XRP, okay.
Denies coins on a screen. They glitter and gleam.
That's nice, getting the 9 moving average back on the daily. That's good.
It's only
I'm gonna take this one off.
whispered secrets in the quiet night. Promises of gold that's just out.
Kind of crazy taking the little angle and putting her down here, huh? But she seems to, it seems to work.
A silent plea. Our cryptic love will never be free.
Some resistance here, about 270.
All these crypto dreams, they lead me astray.
Here on the 4 hour, like all the other altcoins, looking like it's trying to do something resembling an Adam and Eve type bottom. If it can confirm above the neckline at about 278.
Caught in the scheme.
And just 247 now, looks like we're headed up that way.
Shatters my digital dream.
Let's take a look at Bitcoin again.
Muted horns sing.
Let's go back on the 6 minute. Looks like Bitcoin is taking a little bit of a dumpy dump. A little bit of a dumpy dump right there. Sucks to be you, Bitcoin.
Of a coin's bright boom. Figure
I like to zoom out. This is the idea that I've been going with. Same thing we're seeing on the altcoins. Possible Adam and Eve type bottom here, and just Felt bad having to draw this thing and pull it all the way back, all the way down here to these areas we didn't want to talk about at 94, but that's kind of what we can see. A big shaky range through here as this fills out. It can do this several times, people. It can get it all excited. It doesn't have to fill out all the way over through here. She might decide to do it just a couple of times and then take off nice. We're getting close to that. But making a bottom pattern at support, red trend line is the major trend line from the last tops that we had continued on over here. We've been holding that support very well. And we do seem to be trading in a rectangle. And we're hoping and praying at this point in the market, the only thing that makes sense and what it usually turns out to be is a Wyckoff reaccumulation channel. And they spike us, and then they clear us out, and then they start rocking our worlds to the upside, kind of like what we saw way back in the day for Bitcoin. Back over here, back in January 2021, something similar right there in those areas. You'll get these little areas of reaccumulation on the cycle. Because you have a bottom, you got a markup, and then you got a distribution, which is what happened up here. And then you get to do it all again. Mark down, accumulation, and then mark up. The only thing is, as Bitcoin, you know, this seemed really, really high way back then, and then it turned out to be nothing. This seems really, really high until now, and it turns out to be nothing. And we can go a lot higher. We can go a lot higher. But nice little rally coming out of Bitcoin and a little bit of the altcoins. Let's hope that continues. We do think that the total 3 can continue up. A little shaky. There'll probably be some more ups and downs out of it, so taking profits as you can on altcoins, or maybe you're just working on building a big old bag or something. That might be an option here too. You're in some good areas to nibble. DCA, especially DCA, is really good right now on altcoins. If you don't know how to trade or be not confident in trading and all that, playing spot and DCA and dollar cost averaging. That will pay you better than a lot of traders. For real. It just will. You hold it until we get the nice big run in this market, and you take some profit out all the way up there, baby. Take something out every couple of weeks, every month or something. Let's take a look at a ton. Take a look at the ton. All these charts are starting to look the same. They're the same thing, only different. This is more flat. It's got a flat bottom. Flat bottom girls, you make my rockin' world go round. Oh, fat bottom girls. Oh, flat. I can't remember. 450 is going to be an area that is going to have trouble getting over. It's got some resistance back there. And also the little moving there, the Fibonacci is giving us some confluence. So they gotta see what she does there. She may come up, get rejected, and come back and do some kind of double bottom or something, a bigger double bottom or something. She may come down, make a higher low. We're below this trend line here, so we're going to have some problems on all the way up to 524, but looks like there might be a nice little run up to about 450. Well, I'm going to get a copyright strike with my own song, so I've got to go to the end screen. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. Whoa! That was quick, but I only have so many seconds so I can get that.
Crypto dreams sinking out of sight. We hold on tight through the stormy night, knowing the sun's gonna shine so bright. Emotions run high, but we keep control.
All right, let's bring up the chat, see if there's anything that I missed here.
The market's wild, but we stay
I have to rearrange my sound, my list. I've been getting copyright strikes on my own music, so that's kind of weird. Thank you guys. Thank you. 32 guys hanging out with me. 32 people. 32 wonderful people. Thank you for hanging out with me, spending time with me. Hope it was a little educational, a little entertaining, and a little gem finding or opportunity, a little opportunistic. Maybe some opportunities there.
When numbers fall, don't lose your spark. Find the light even in the dark.
This is point of the night where I just kind of chill out here and listen to a few songs, put some of the new ones I've got over. Thank you. Joe, are you going live? Well, her heart beat right with that music. That was impressive. Oh, that was impressive too. She's having problems with those. I think she needs some support. Excuse me, ma'am. Is your brassiere defective? Because it seems, yeah, you keep doing that. Oh. Does that help in some way? Does that jiggle the front when you jiggle the back?
Please allow me to introduce myself. I'm a trader. I've been around. I've seen the highs and the lows, the bulls and the bears. I've made my fortune and I've shed my tears. Pleased to meet you. Hope you guess my name. I'm a whale in the crypto game. I'm a whale with a portfolio so fine. I'm a whale always on the grind. I've traded Bitcoin, Ethereum too. I've shorted the market and I've made it through. I've seen the FUD and I've seen the hype. I've made my profit and I've taken the ride. Pleased to meet you. Hope you guess my name. I'm a whale in the crypto game. I'm a whale with a portfolio so fine.
Thank you for the super chat. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
On the grind. I'm not a bot. I'm not a scam. I'm a trader with a plan. I'm not a whale, just a guy who's trying to make a buck and get by. I've seen the market crash and I've seen it soar. I've made my fortune and I've lost it before. I've learned from my mistakes and I've learned from my wins. I'm a trader and I'm always on the grind. Pleased to meet you. Hope you guess my name. I'm a whale in the crypto game. I'm a whale with a portfolio so fine. I'm a whale always on the grind. Crypto turkey takes the stage at night, featherless and shining bright. He's got the charts and Fibonacci lines,
Dang, turn down the lights. Not you, Sean. Dang.
Smooth skin shimmering so bright. Hot sauce dripping with the spice. Guiding through the crypto night. Flopping wings with style and grace. Glistening alpha butter on his face. His technicals are always sharp. Audience is hooked from the start. Turkey in the camera light. Smooth skin shimmering so bright. Hot sauce dripping with the spice. Guiding through the crypto night.
I don't know if I'm horny or I'm hungry.
He divines the trends up high. Funky calling to the sky. With every dip in
I don't know if I'm turned on or if the oven's turned on.
He's the boss who never lies. Charts and candles, he's the king. Quantum leaps and turkeys.
I don't know if I got a stiffy or if I'm just extra crispy.
Audience notes the master show. Crypto turkeys got the flow.
My turkey lips are tingling. Hungry, yeah.
Turkey in the camera lights. Smooth skin shimmering so bright. Hot sauce dripping with the spice. Guiding through the crypto night. He defines the trends up high. Funky calling to the sky. With every dip and every rise, he's the boss who never lies. Charts and candles, he's the king.
I don't know what's next.
Quantum leaps and turkey swing. Audience notes the master show. Crypto turkeys got the flow. Road dog in the house and he's keeping it tight. Spitting crypto knowledge from morning to night. Got a turkey mask on, but he's showing no shame for the Tangem wallet hustle. Yeah, that's his game. Heidi, Heidi, Heidi ho. Heidi, Heidi, Heidi ho. Super chats coming.
Howdy ho.
Rain of gold. Road dog shouting out, but the story's still untold. He's your crypto guru with a twist of absurd. In this wild world, you gotta be heard. Heidi, Heidi, Heidi ho.
She goes with this music.
Heidi, Heidi, Heidi ho. Buy me water,
Her name might be Heidi.
Every single click, gotta keep this hustle moving, gotta do it quick.
Heidi, Heidi.
Swinging through the charts with a master's flair. Send those super chats, baby. Show me that you care. Tangem wallets got a stockpile on high. Road dogs preaching value, yeah, you can't deny. Hit the like button, subscribe every day. Keep this crypto engine running in a major way. Turkey face shining bright in the camera light. Giving crypto alpha, keeping the future in sight. Funds flowing in keeps the channel alive with every new donation. nation, the dream thrives. Buy me wallets, yeah, with every single click. Gotta keep this hustle moving, gotta do it quick. Swinging through the charts with a master's flair. Send those super chats, baby, show me that you care. Find your wallet, yeah, with every single click. Gotta keep this hustle moving, gotta do it quick. Swinging through the charts with a master's flair. Send the super chats, baby, show me that you care.
She knows how to bump it in all the right places. I skipped this one.
Riding high on the crypto wave, stacking coins, I'm feeling brave. Road dog, show me a better way. Late nights never led me astray. Jackpot, baby, making gains. Dreams come true, feel the rain. Hit the target, bullseye shot. Oh, it oughta what I got.
Shake it, baby.
In a turkey mask, road dog's wisdom.
It has a way of not getting old.
Dark arts like magic spells. In this game, I excel. Fibonacci's secret code. Cracking trends on the road. RSI and MACD flare. Got me walking on air. Jackpot, baby, making gains. Dreams come true, feel the rain. Hit the target, bullseye shot. Oh, it oughta what I got. Market watch through the night. Road dog stream, I got it light. Master plan with every trade. Fortune mine now well displayed.
Needs a little cowbell.
Stream, I got it light. Master plan with every trade. Fortune mine now well displayed. Jackpot, baby, making gains. Dreams come true, feel the rain. Hit the target, bullseye shot. Oh, it oughta what I got. Watch through the night. Road dog stream,
Oh, look, there's a little green alien over there. I just noticed him.
Fortune mine now well displayed. Oh, it oughta what I got. Market watch through the night. Road dog stream, I got it light. Master plan with every trade. Fortune mine now well displayed.
Good night, everybody.
At a blockchain party, she wore a Bitcoin necklace. Says she mind her own ether because she passed my stress test. Kept talking decentralization, my heart began to sing. But then saw her exodus. Now that's a crypto fling. You don't really love me, you just love my crypto. You don't really see me, you just see my crypto. You sick Crypto slut, need some road dog, you know. Then came another gal, met me on a trade.